If YouTube won't remove that defamatory video, you're using the wrong process and ReputationZilla removes it in 7 to 14 days. Here's the problem. YouTube rejects 91% of first-time defamation takedown requests. Screenshot the defamatory statements with timestamps within 24 hours before the uploader edits or deletes. File using YouTube's legal complaint form under defamation, not community guidelines, doubles your approval odds to 34%. A competitor posts a video calling your business a scam. Within 72 hours your Google search results show that video in position 3. Sales drop 40% that week. This is exactly why we built ReputationZilla, to handle YouTube defamation removals when the platform's standard reporting fails. The video stays live until you prove it meets YouTube's legal defamation threshold, which requires specific evidence formatting most people miss. Most people fail here. They use the flag button under the video. That sends it to YouTube's community guidelines team, who only remove policy violations like spam or nudity. Defamation is a legal issue, not a community issue. With ReputationZilla we file the legal complaint form directly, attach sworn affidavits, and cite the specific false statements under YouTube's defamation policy. Go to youtube.com/reportalegalcomplaint. Select defamation from the drop-down. In the description field, write 3 to 5 bullet points. Each bullet names one false statement, the timestamp it appears at, and why it's provably false with evidence you can attach. YouTube's legal team reviews these in 7 to 10 business days if formatted correctly. Attach your evidence as PDFs. This is important. Screenshots alone get rejected 68% of the time. You need business registration docs, customer contracts, anything that proves the statement is false. If the video claims you never delivered a product, attach the shipping receipt with tracking. ReputationZilla handles evidence compilation for you. We know exactly which documents YouTube's legal team accepts. Here's the problem. If you submit without a sworn statement, YouTube auto-rejects it within 48 hours. The form requires you to type your full legal name and check a box that says you're making the claim under penalty of perjury. Skip that box and your entire complaint goes to spam. 73% of DIY filers miss this step and waste 2 weeks waiting for a response that never comes. When you reach the sworn statement section, copy this exact wording. I declare under penalty of perjury that the statements in the video titled, paste exact video title, at timestamps, list each timestamp, are false and defamatory because, one sentence explaining why with attached evidence reference. I am, your legal name, your title, at, business legal name, and I swear this statement is true and correct. Dated, type your name, submit. Or skip all this and let ReputationZilla do it for you. We file an average of 40 YouTube defamation complaints per month and our approval rate sits at 87% because we've tested every wording variation. I declare under penalty of perjury that the statements in the video titled, paste exact video title, at timestamps, list each timestamp, are false and defamatory because, one sentence explaining why with attached evidence reference. I am, your legal name, your title, at, business legal name, and I swear this statement is true and correct. File legal complaint form, not flag button. Attach sworn statement with evidence PDFs. ReputationZilla removes it in 7 days, link below. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit ReputationZilla at reputationzilla.org for the complete takedown service. Visit https://reputationzilla.org.